Welcome to the first installment of the PineScript news series. In this series, we'll review recent updates for PineScript on TradingView. Today, we leverage the new profiler to optimize our code. Let's now move over to TradingView and dive in. To demonstrate the profiler, we'll use a script that I developed for presenting volume profile information. This code runs through some severe load in terms of time complexity. As such, it is a perfect candidate for using the profiler. Let's enable the profiler like so. Now we have information in the left margin of our code. It shows the percentage of our script's execution time for each line of code. And we can see that about 90% of our execution time is spent in this iteration. It is not too much of a surprise as we have an iteration within another here. Indeed, the time complexity is high, as you can see looking at the executions number, 495,495. Let's try to optimize by sorting some of our data, like so, and then reduce the number of executions necessary, like so. Let's save and see the results. Looks like we're saving more than 10% on this iteration. We're down to 83%. Furthermore, our total executions count is down to 264,244. This is almost a 50% gain. That's great. Thanks, profiler. However, there's one important note. The profiler creates some additional load when enabled. To illustrate, we'll go back to our unoptimized script and then try to change the bar to be selected. As you can see here with the profiler, we have a runtime error. It takes more than 500 milliseconds. However, if we disable the profiler, everything should be good. Indeed, everything is good. Conclusion, only use the profiler when you need it. I hope you enjoyed learning how to optimize your PineScript code leveraging the profiler on TradingView. On a side note, if you're interested in this volume profile indicator, I have included a link in the description. Remember, trading is a journey and mastering PineScript is just one step along the way. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.